How to calculate percentage on calculator on iPhone. So if you want to take a certain percentage on your iPhone calculator, like you want to calculate 8% of anything, 10% of anything, or 50% of anything on your iPhone calculator, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to calculate percentage on iPhone calculator, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the calculator app. You can open the calculator app through the control center on our setting, or just go to utilities folder on your iPhone and then open the calculator app. Now once you open the calculator app, you can do this using the basic calculator or using the scientific calculator. But basically here, I'll show you how to calculate percentage on your iPhone using the basic calculator. So let's say I have 2000 and I want to calculate the 8% of 2000. So what you just need to do is this. Just say 2000 minus 92% equals to, then the 8% is 160. So if you want to calculate 30% of 20,000, so let's say you have 20,000 and now you want to take the 30%, you just need to minus 70% of the total value you have here, equate it, then the 30% is 60,000. So if you have a large amount of money or volume, let's say you want to calculate $20,000 or $100 million, for instance. So this $100 million, and you want to take the 19.2% of $100 million, right? What you just need to do is subtract 19.2 from 100%, and that's going to give you around 79.8, right? Then just need to say minus 79.8%. You see that? Then just equate it. Then 19.2% of 100 million is 20.2 million. That's 20,200,000. So you can use this to calculate any percentage. So let's say you want to calculate 120% of anything on the iPhone basic calculator. Then you have 5,000. This is 100%. And I want to calculate the 122%. Then you just need to go ahead plus 20% of the total. You see that? So this is 100%. Literally, the amount you have here is the 100%. Then you want to calculate the 20% of it, right? Then just need to plus 20 to the 100%, 20%. Equate it and then add it to the initial value. So 100%, 20%. So let's say you have 5,000 plus the 120% is 120% equals to, is that is 11,000. Then we still got the same answer. So that is basically how to use iPhone calculator to calculate percentage. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.